Shenzhen Industrial Man Product Rapid Prototyping and Manufacturer Company Limited, founded in 2004, specialized in manufacturing technologies like metal parts, CNC manufacturing, rapid tooling fabrication, rapid injection molding, automotive stamping, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, car model fabrication, and vacuum casting. And we serve for industrial areas like auto parts, medical devices, household appliances, communication parts, security products, gifts, 3C, aerospace, and other industrial products. We also provide rapid prototyping OEM and customized services for the world's top 500 enterprises, like BYD and Honda, for more than 20 years. We also required first-class confidentiality certificates like ISO 9001 certification and IATF 16949 certification. Shenzhen Industrial Man has long-term connection with many top international professional and friends. Also, we are honored to have some China academicians regularly educate us new materials, new processes, and new technologies. Now, currently, we has 230 senior technical workers and 68 engineering designers. Also, we have 250 sets, high-end manufacture equipment such as 5-axis CNC machines, multi-axis linkage turning and milling machines, 2,000 tons of professional new energy vehicle sheet metal stamping machine, high-pressure injection machines, vacuum casting machines, 3D SLA and metal printing machines, and Zeiss precision measuring instruments. Now we have full supply chain system from rapid prototyping to mass production, and we could provide customers with one-stop good services.